What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with our drink review taste test video. Mountain Dew has came out recently with some new Baja flavors for the summer. I knew about these flavors for a while. I know some people have been reporting here and there they've been finding them over the past couple weeks, but I finally saw it at Publix today in the 20-ounce bottles and then the 12-packs. I also saw the 20-ounce bottles at a Wawa too. And I already reviewed the other one. This is Mountain Dew Baja Caribbean Beach. This is with a blast of natural and artificial guava flavor. Ooh, guava. Has like a pinkish color. Trying to think, is this the first pink Mountain Dew? I mean, there's been some reds. I don't think there's been a pink. Well, that one might have been pink, and the name escapes me. I can't remember it at the moment, or sort of like a pink. That smells nice. I think that's guava, I believe. It's been forever. Another fruit I haven't had in forever, guava. So I'm pretty sure it smells like. It smells sweet though. It's definitely different. I like it. I think it's better than the other Baja flavor. Yeah, I think I like this one better than last year's too. The first year I did the Baja flavors a couple years ago, I really liked them. The second year, I liked them, but they weren't nearly as good as the first year. I think this one and the other one, the passion fruit one, is definitely a improvement over last year. This is very different. The other one's passion fruit, and this is guava. I never would have thought of having a Mountain Dew with that flavor. You also do taste in the background, you taste that dew flavor. That Baja Dew flavor. It's interesting. All the Mountain Dews I've ever tried, you still have in the background that Mountain Dew flavor that they added into it. The more I'm drinking this, the more I'm liking it. I just wish they had this in diet. Unfortunately, they do not, as far as I know. I have to say, that is very nice, and I'm so glad I got to try these. It's always so exciting to have a new Mountain Dew and be able to try it for the first time on camera with you all. And I just hope they keep doing these. But I have both in there. I reviewed. They'll both be in separate videos. And that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Alright, you know what that means. It's time to get going on to the next one. Alright. Let's get to it. Bye, everybody. Bye.